Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2012 Ford Fusion SEL. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2.5 inline 4-cylinder pushing out 174 horsepower. For wheels, we've got 17-inch 5-spoke alloys. Black leather interior. Coming around back, we've got our SEL Fusion badging. Opening up the tailgate, we've got a clean set of floor mats, fold down rear seat. Up front, we've got power windows, power seats. Open in, we've got our steering wheel controls. Just go ahead and start it up. Our radio, our keys for our radio, climate control, heated seats, automatic transmission. This Ford Fusion has 107,954 miles. If you'd like to view more photos of this Ford Fusion, check out feldmannimports.com.